Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Today we are going to do the second question from the past paper, and this is the revision of the chapter function. In question number 2, there are three functions given: f of x, g of x, and h of x. The first question part is that you have to work out f of 2. As we want to find out f of 2, so first of all, we will write it over here. What is our f of x function? F of x is equal to 5x minus 2. As we want to find out f of 2, so just replace your x with 2 over here, and this will be 5 into 2 minus 2. That will be 5 2s are 10 minus 2, and the final answer for this part will be f of 2 is equal to 8. That is the answer for the question number 1. When we are looking at the second part, that is, this part is related to the composite function hg of 17. So first of all, I'm going to write it in this way, hg of x, and then we will replace the x with 17. Here you can notice one important point, that h is a first function, basic function, then g of x is there. So h is what? H is this. 2, in place of x, put the empty bracket and square of that, plus 7 in place of x, empty bracket. And then now replace those empty brackets with the second function, which is the g function. What is the g function over here? It is 7 over x minus 3, and plus here also 7 over x minus 3. When we are going to simplify this one, this is 2. 7 square is 49, and denominator is x minus 3 whole square. This is the value. Plus 7 sevens are 49 over x minus 3. This is my answer for hg of x. But I don't want to only find out hg of x. We actually want to find out the value for hg of 17. So replace in this function, wherever is h, we will replace it by 17. This is going to be 2 into 49 divided by it is 17 minus 3 and square of that. This is the first one, plus 49 over 17 minus 3. 49 multiplied by 2, if I multiplied the values over here, so 49 multiplied by 2 is 98. And this is 17 minus 3. 17 minus 3 is 4. So we will write 14 over here. So it will be 14 square plus 49 over 14. As we can see, this is 14 square. This is 14. Between the two fractions, there is a plus sign. So what we are going to do over here, that we will make the denominator equal. How I can make the denominator equal? If I multiply up and down with the same number. When we are going to multiply, so my fraction, it will be, it's a 14 square down, which will be 196. It is 98 plus, when we multiply 49 by 14, the value is 686. 686 plus 98, the answer will be 784 divided by 196. When we divide 784 by 196, so answer is 4. This is the answer for your second part, A part and its second part. Now let's start with the B part. What is the B part? They said that in the B part, you have to solve it. Solve g of x is equal to x plus 3. This is our question that we want to solve. G of x is equal to x plus 3. What is the g of x function given in the question? As I can see, the g of x function which is given in the question is this one, 7 over x minus 3. You can replace g of x by 7 over x minus 3 is equal to x plus 3. One side is a fraction, one side is without fraction. You can make the denominator 1 and do the cross multiplication. When we do the cross multiplication, left side, we have the situation a plus b and a minus b type of. You can apply 7 ones are 7. We can apply the identity over here, and that is the a square minus b square is equal to 7. X square minus 9 is equal to 7. If I take 9 to other side, it will be x square is equal to 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 when we are going to solve. So my answer is x square is equal to 16. We want to simplify this one. This is the x square. So by taking the square root on both sides, when you take the square root on both sides, this will be 16 square root. And the answer for x, we will get the two values with the plus minus 4. Answer for this part is positive 4 and negative 4. This is the answer for the B part of the question number 2. I hope you understand. Thank you so much.